Can you imagine creating 100 YouTube shorts in just one day, and even better, without showing your face? In this video, I'm breaking down how I used AI to produce 100 monetizable YouTube shorts in just 24 hours. And the best part? This process can earn you passive income on a faceless channel. Before we dive into the how, let's talk about the why. Why use AI to create YouTube shorts? AI tools allow you to speed up the process of brainstorming, scripting, editing, and even voicing videos. With AI, you're not only saving time, but creating a scalable way to produce content at volume. Plus, with YouTube Shorts blowing up right now, there's massive potential to grow an audience quickly and make money without ever showing your face on camera. The first step is to find popular and trending topics. I used AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper to help generate ideas for videos that have a high chance of going viral. You simply input a few keywords related to your niche, and the AI provides dozens of unique ideas in seconds. With the right AI tools, you can quickly narrow down what's trending, ensuring your content has maximum reach. Once you have your ideas, it's time to write scripts. Here's where AI really shines. I used an AI script generator like ChatGPT to draft short, engaging scripts. You simply tell the AI what tone and style you're going for, and within seconds, you get a script ready to go. The script can be refined, adjusted for length, and tailored to fit a 15 to 60-second format, perfect for shorts. If you don't want to record your own voice, no problem. AI voiceover tools like Descript or Murph can generate professional quality voices in a matter of seconds. Just upload the script, select the voice style, and boom, you've got a natural-sounding voiceover for each short. These voices sound surprisingly realistic, and you can even choose from various accents, tones, and languages to fit your target audience. For visuals, I used a tool like Canva or Pictory. These platforms offer templates designed for YouTube Shorts. You can input your script and images, and the software will sync everything to create an engaging visual experience. Plus, with AI-powered tools like Pictory, you can automate the entire editing process by matching visuals with the voiceover, adding captions, and timing each shot perfectly. So there you have it. With the help of AI, I was able to create 100 YouTube Shorts in a single day, each ready for upload and monetization. This is a powerful way to grow a faceless channel without spending countless hours recording or editing. If you're interested in creating your own AI-driven channel, start by experimenting with these tools. Test out different formats, find a style that works for you, and watch your channel grow.